Let's have a complete tour of Mostra Flea. This is day 2 and let's hit the ticket counters. Let's go. Sunil Vaidabi is handling the ticket counter and the staff is very friendly, very helpful, very amazing. Thank you, bhai.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. કેમ છે ભાઈ? કેમ છો? મજામાં? And we have our intern Man with us. Hi Man. Enjoy the day, bro. So we have got the tour. We have got the tickets and to be honest it is like very reasonable. It is just 100 rupees per ticket and this 50%, 50 rupees, that is 50% of the ticket is refundable at the food counter. So only 50 rupees entry ticket, which is just a token amount so that quality people comes, and also it is seasons and it is far away from the city, so only like the interested people will only come. So location wise, this is the new party launch, the new auditorium which is organized and arranged by Seasons and અહીંયા રાખ્યું છે. So this is a good choice for a flea market. And let's go inside. You can see the scale, you can see the height, you can get the vibe out of it. The atmosphere is exhilarating. You can see like people is really enjoying it. You check out each and every frame of it. This is like the Instagram frame. My personal favorite, I came yesterday as well, and my personal favorite frame is this one. Like you know it has the retro vibe, it is Vogue, it is old school and it is kick-ass frame. So I'll ask Aditya to even like shoot that and take the photo of mine as well. Let's have a photo here first. This is a very good placement of a sofa where our friends can get a picture together. Yesterday we clicked it. I'll post that particular picture in the vlog now. And it's the friends we have. This side we have all summer collection theme. So as you can see, people are enjoying there. It's a you get a very elegant, very aesthetic, very beautiful pictures as light age here, and it is all sober, elegant and beautiful elements that have been placed. This particular counter is for the chota kids. Look at this beautifully designed. यार आमा छोकराओने photos click करवानी केवी मजा आवे. And this is the flea, the entire flea show, and Mostra Flea is rocking. અહીંયા જ એન્ટ્રીમાં જ એ લોકોએ છે ને એટલું બધું સારા એલિમેન્ટ્સ અને સ્પેશિયસ એલિમેન્ટ્સ રાખ્યા ને કે ધ ફર્સ્ટ ઇમ્પ્રેશન અને the first vibe which everybody gets is amazing. So very good, well done, kudos to team Mostra Flea, because રાજકોટમાં આ લેવલે આવું, good branding, good people, very sophisticated flea and very minimal elements કોઈએ નથી કર્યા. So you have cracked it, so congratulations on that. Now we'll go inside and we'll have a tour of each and every stalls that we have, and I'll try to cover as much as we can. So at the entrance, the first activity, the first stall we have is of Braintism. You can see they have been allocated a very huge space for kids, and it is literally a play area, fairy tale created for them. So as you can see, the entire part of this area is for kids, and we'll be showing you the each and activities that are done by the kids there. And Braintism Rajkot is been owned by a friend of mine, which is Pritesh Shah. So kudos Pritesh for setting up a very beautiful thing where kids are going crazy. They are literally enjoying every bit of it. So let's go inside and see the activities. So this is the activity area where they are getting hands-on training and they can like just play around there. Very beautifully done thing. As you can see, all the chotu kids are enjoying it very much. But they're also doing it with their parents, so it is very fun and a very good experience for kids. Look at this. They are getting hands dirty and like get into the mud. That first. Wow. This is how kids should play. Full tofan, masti, dham, dhambati. Kaya karwa de bhai to. I absolutely loved this concept. One of the finest thing, one of the finest part, one of the finest stall in the flea is Braindism for me. Because look at the happiness they are getting. Yeah, like look how beautifully they are playing. So by far the most favorite place of mine in the Mostrafli is this area. So this is a Chotosu sliders and all. Trampoline park. Oh, this is a very interesting thing we have here. Oh, they are actually playing there with the water. They are pouring it. Best part is, so since it is a group activity, they are like playing it together, figuring out things together. Look at the happiness also, how concentrated they are while playing it. They are making sure that the water is exactly emerge પડે છે and રમે છે. Amazing. It is મારો આજનો દિવસ વસૂલ થઈ ગયો આ જોઈને. So this was the first part. અહીંયા જ વધારે ટાઈમ વયો ગયો અને I want, if મારા આખું વ્લોગ શૂટ કરવાનું ન હોત તો I would have spent most of the time here. કારણ કે અહીંયાથી નીકળવાનું મન નથી થતું. કારણ કે બચપન યાદ આવી ગયું અને you see there is no mobile phone, no screen time, nothing. They are actually hands on. કલરથી રમે છે, પાણીથી રમે છે, ક્લે બનાવે છે, લપસિયા ખાય છે. એકચ્યુઅલ જે આપણું જે બચપન છે એવું હોવું જોઈએ, આઈડિયલ બચપન વિચ ઇઝ મિસિંગ અત્યારે, એ અહીંયા રિક્રિએટ કર્યું છે. સો Braindism, one of my most favorite part of Mostrafli, and I completely enjoyed it. Thank you so much. This was the first stall of Mostrafli, the Braindism, and I am rating it 11 out of 10. Thank you. The first stall we have is of Gulab Oils, Gulab Goodness, True Stories, multiple ventures જે છે. અને અવની કરીને, અવની નથવાણી, she is a very good friend of mine, and you can see the aesthetics of it. It is beautiful. Let's have a conversation with Avni. Hi Avni.
Hi Pawak.
Beautiful setup.
Thank you.
અત્યારે લાઈક ગુલાબ ઓઇલ્સ, પછી ત્યાંથી ગુલાબ ગુડનેસ આવ્યું, and then True Stories છે. અને
So basically I have joined my family business.
Right.
We are into edible oils for 50 years.
Correct.
અમારો brand name છે ગુલાબ.
yeah, correct.
So અમે લોકો young generation that has, so we wanted to start something new.
So you can see the actual setup જે આખું કર્યું છે. Yeah, please tell me.
So basically it's a wooden machine. જેમાં દાણા બહુ સ્લો પ્રોસેસથી ક્રશ થતો હોય છે,
Okay.
ઓઇલ નીકળતો હોય છે which is less than 40 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
આખું ઠંડુ તેલ છે.
Okay.
આપણે જે પહેલાના જમાનામાં ઘાણીનું તેલ કહેવાતું,
Right.
this is the same ઘાણી.
Okay.
અને it's a ઘાણી ka oil.
As we can see that now youngsters is health conscious more. So the entire new range of products they લોકો કાઢી છે is keeping in mind the health conscious, like જે એ લોકો આપણે જે youngsters જે છે they are very health conscious. organic નું જે વધારે ચલણ છે, the actual organic part of it, ખાલી નામ પૂરતું નહીં but even the values. So very happy for you.
Thank you so
and a beautiful setup, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you Avni. Thank you. ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ કોન્સેપ્ટ છે અત્યારે છે જે નેઇલ્સનો છે. એમાં બટરેજ ઇઝ ડુઈંગ વેરી ડિફરન્ટલી, લાઈક નોટ ઓર્ડિનરી નેઇલ્સ ને એ બધું કરે છે. સો લેટ્સ નો ફ્રોમ ધ ફાઉન્ડર હરસેલ્ફ, વૃદ્ધિથી આપણે જાણીએ કે વોટ ઇઝ બટરેજ ઓલ અબાઉટ. લેટ્સ ગો. હેલો વૃદ્ધિ.
Hello.
How are you?
એકદમ fine. How about you?
લુક્સ અમેઝિંગ. લાઈક બધું યુ કેન સી સ્ટોલ જેટલો ફેન્સી છે એટલા જ નેઇલ્સ કલરફુલ અને ફેન્સી છે. So Vriddhi, what is Butterage? What you guys do and how you guys are different?
Butterage itself is like look younger than your actual age. We provide soft gel extensions that
Okay.
is only available with us pan India, and we provide not 10,
As you
12,
can see.
14, we provide 24 nails, so it covers
Wow.
universal sizes, and it includes everything for the application and removal. Everything is hand painted.
Wow.
અને નેલ્સ પ્લાસ્ટિકના નહીં, અમારા નેલ્સ સોફ્ટ જેલના યુએસ થી બનીને આવતા હોય and then we design the nails.
Okay, so as you can see, like not just another nail extension કે જે nail provider છે કે જે બીજે બધે locally available છે, no they are not that. એ લોકો સ્પેશિયલી US થી બનાવે છે. જે મટીરિયલ સોફ્ટ જેલ એક્સટેન્શન ના છે એ તમારા શું કહેવાય નખને કે આંગળીને કાંઈ હાર્મ નહીં કરે.
Designs of course few are like influenced by the foreign designers,
Okay.
રશિયાના જે બી famous
Right.
artists છે
Correct.
એવા બધા.
Correct.
અને બાકી everything is like પોતે ક્રિએટ કરી અને પછી it is hand drawn. So this is animal print,
Animal print, yes.
neon, then this is floral,
Yeah,
then these are the chromes.
wow.
Again this is
Mix of everything.
yes.
Nice.
And again chrome, and we have huge collection with us.
પેકેજિંગ કેવું મસ્ત છે, પ્રીમિયમ પેકેજિંગ. ઇવન ધીસ ઇઝ અ નિયોન પેકેજિંગ. યુ કેન સી એપ્લિકેશન કેમ કરવાનું છે, રિમૂવલ કેમ કરવાનું છે, ડિટેલમાં લખેલું છે વિથ સ્ટીકર્સ આપ્યા છે. ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલ જેન્સીને જે ગમે ને એ ટાઈપનું પેકેજિંગ છે. 10 on 10 on પેકેજિંગ, ડિઝાઇન, એવરીથિંગ ઇઝ બ્યુટિફુલી ડન. ધ બ્રાન્ડ, ધ ફીલ યુ ગેટ ઇઝ અમેઝિંગ.
લિક્વિડ ગ્લુ છે અમારા, ઇટ ઇઝ ઇન્ડિયા સ્ટ્રોંગેસ્ટ ગ્લુ.
Yeah.
જેલી ટેપ છે એ વર્લ્ડની સૌથી સ્ટ્રોંગેસ્ટ ટેપ છે જે ઇન્ડિયામાં ખાલી અમારી પાસે મળશે. પછી નોર્મલ બફર નથી, 7-in-1 બફર છે. પછી આપણે જે વુડન સ્ટિક્સ હોય છે, વી હેવ રેઝિન વાલા ગ્લિટરી સ્ટિક દેટ ઇઝ વેરી લુક્સ વેરી અટ્રેક્ટિવ.
Wow.
એન્ડ હા, કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટરીમાં વી પ્રોવાઈડ અ મેગ્નેટ
Wow.
વિચ ઇઝ કોરિયન લવ.
સો વેર દે કેન બાય ધીસ products?
Yeah, anyone can buy it at our website, that
Right.
is www.butter.com, and
Okay.
also on Instagram, that is Butterage Nails.
So I highly recommend Butter Edge for your all kind of nails. જે પણ એમાં કરવું હોય તમારે બધું થઈ જશે.
Huge offers going on our website.
You will get up to 40%. જલ્દીથી you go to the website, make the most out of it. Thank you Vriddhi
Thank you so
for
much.
spending time and telling more about Butter Edge. I'm sure people are going to love it. And
you.
this is going to skyrocket for sure.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you. So I've come across a very good venture called Psychiatrist and બહુ જ unique છે. I'll not tell much about it. Let's ask એમના founder Shrinal છે. Hello Shrinal.
Hi.
So Shrinal is the founder of Psychiatrist and you are seeing some very pretty interesting stuff, unusual stuff. So let's know more about the venture from herself itself. So Shrinal, give a brief about what it is all about.
So we at Psychiatrist, we custom paint products, mainly
Okay.
leather-based products.
Okay.
And we give them a new life, we give them a unique life. As
Wow.
you can see some of our sneakers. These are all hand-painted sneakers. And we make a plain white shoe and give it a new dimension.
So you can see like જે like black and white કે normal છે એને એક sword ઘુમાવીને આખું કેવું magically beautiful બનાવે છે. Not just this product, you can like કોઈ પણ any leather item, right?
Yes, so we have a bunch of handbags.
So normal
we have-
handbags હોય તમારી અને એને કેવી રીતે beautifully like
We
just
make them
with
stand out from the crowd.
exactly see like સાવ like normal black color નું છે અને like basic એમના આર્ટ થી કેટલું beautifully લોકો કરી શકે છે. So what is your one signature product which is like best selling?
We currently have a lot of inquiries for these shoes because what we have done is we have removed the Nike logo, painted it and then cut it and stick it back.
Wow. So you can see how tweak એ લોકો કેવી રીતે tweak કરે છે કે even the logo ને basically they are broken એવું લાગે છે, like એવી feel આપે છે અને it is very cool, very crazy stuff. I want to know more about this one. This is my personal favorite.
These shoes are dipped in coffee. These are for coffee head and these are dipped in coffee and then we have all elements of coffee painted over it.
So for all the coffee lovers, this is like must have for you. Actually coffee માં બોયડા છે જેને કહેવાય ને, it's dipped into the coffee અને પછી બહાર કાઢીને all the coffee elements with coffee colors રાખ્યા છે. So what is your Instagram and where they can buy this kind of stuff?
You can reach us on psychiatrist.customs. We
Okay.
mainly work via Instagram.
Perfect.
And we have all our details up on there.
So follow them on Instagram. હજી અહીંયા તો limited items છે પણ you can see more of the stuff online and they are like shipping pan India and these are amazing stuff. So do follow Psychiatrist, and thank you Shrinal
Thank you
for
so
spending time. It was really very fun. For the very first time I see something in
Yeah.
Rajkot, so I highly recommend એક વખત એમના Instagram page ઉપર જાઓ અને it is going to be amazing. So do follow them on Instagram and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. I just came across a very beautiful stall કે Paradise છે, જે તમને 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes ની board games, activity games રમાડે. It is amazing. We'll meet the founders, we'll know more about Paradise, and we'll also play some games. So let's go. Hello.
Hi Pavak, how are you?
Amazing. First of all, I have a basic idea of Paradise, and at first glance it is very interesting for me. Can you tell more about Paradise to our viewers?
Hi viewers. So we conduct board games night every Wednesdays and Saturdays. This is called Paradise Board Games and Learning Center. We teach kids, we teach adults different games, and with the games we teach them different skills. We do private events, birthdays, corporate events, kitty parties, all different kinds of events that we do. We also make sure that there's some learning after every session.
Correct.
And it's lots and lots of fun.
Definitely, I have personally played so many games like in the YI, even in the organized games at Size Zero, various different cafes. And yesterday I came here, I had fun. Today again we'll play which game?
Today we are going to play Happy Salmon, and it's going to be a chaos and a lot of fun.
Let's see what is Happy Salmon, and very excited to play it again.
So basically what we are going to do is, there are different actions in this. There are 4 actions. One is hi-fi, the other one is fist bump, third is Happy Salmon where you wriggle, and fourth is switch it up. So everyone will be playing together. We will just put the cards one by one, and we'll do the action and throw the card down. Whoever finishes the cards first wins the game. Ready?
Very simple, very fun loving game.
Let's go. Ready? Fish bump, fish bump, fish bump, fish bump, fish bump, fish bump, fish bump,
Happy Salmon, Happy Salmon.
fish bump, fish bump, fish bump, fish bump, fish bump, fish bump,
Fish bump, fish bump, fish bump. Switch it up. And we have switch it up again. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up. Happy Salmon. Switch it up, switch it up. Yeah! So you see like this 2 minutes, 3 minutes game, activity games, where there are no screen time needed, no PlayStation, no mobile games, nothing. It's just like you can play this with your friends, families, even with your employees.
We do corporate events where you can do more of team building activities, strategizing. If you feel your employees would need certain type of training, we do that as well. We do all kind of events.
So follow Paradise on Instagram. શું છે ID?
Paradise_BGLC.
So follow them like friends, families સાથે બધાય સાથે મજા આવે છે. So I highly recommend Paradise, and thank you for
so
spending
much.
time.
Thank you so much.
We had a lot of fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
So let's see Molded શું છે from the founder Nehal Maniyar herself. Hello Nehal ma'am, કેમ છો?
બસ ફાઇન.
So she is Nehal Maniyar, and she is the founder of Molded, and let's know more about it from herself. So Nehal ma'am, what is Molded? શું છે શું?
Molded, it's 3D art form.
Okay.
We are capturing 3D moments like it's our veins, our lines, our
Wow.
wrinkles and everything. We are dealing with kids from our grandparents.
So you can see how beautifully, how emotional it can get, કારણ કે આમાં ઇમોશન્સ જોડાયેલા છે. You can take the actual, જેને કહેવાય ને પ્રિન્ટ્સ, લાઈક આખો તમારો એકચ્યુઅલ હાથ વિથ વેન્સ એ લોકો કરે છે. સો ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણા દાદા અને બા હોય એમના હેન્ડ પ્રિન્ટ્સ જે છે એ આશીર્વાદ તરીકે આપણે રાખી તો ઇટ ઇઝ એન્ડલેસ બ્લેસિંગ્સ ફોર એવર. સો મેં તો આવું ક્યાંય જોયું જ નથી. એઝ યુ કેન સી ઇવન બેબીઝ, જે નાના બેબીઝ છે એ લોકો માટે સ્પેશિયલ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ આપી કે એ લોકો રે એ રીતે કરે છે. સો બેબીના ફીટ્સ, હેન્ડ્સ મસ્ત છે. પછી ઇવન લાઈક ઇફ અ કપલ ઇઝ ગેટિંગ એન્ગેજડ તો એમના જે હેન્ડ જેસ્ચર્સ છે એ કેપ્ચર કરી શકે. વેરી ક્રિએટિવ અને વેરી સ્પેશિયલ. વન થિંગ વિચ ઇઝ વેરી યુનિક અબાઉટ ઇટ વિચ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ શેર વિથ ઓડિયન્સ?
It's lifetime blessings for our parents, from our grandparents, for our kids too.
રાજકોટમાં nobody is doing it, અને it is really very special moment. આ રીતે, અને even look, you can see the look and feel, એકદમ golden look and feel આપ્યું છે. અને એ તમારા બેડરૂમમાં કે લિવિંગ રૂમમાં રાખશો તો એસ્થેટિક્સ તો બરોબર છે, પણ એ જે તમને એન્ડલેસ બ્લેસિંગ અને તમે જે એની પ્રેઝન્સ ફીલ કરાવશે ને, that is way beyond money, way beyond words. Like for the babies also, it is 110% safe. You can contact Moldit. નીચે આપે હું એમની લિંક આપી છે, ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામની લિંક છે. Also I have mentioned the phone number અને they can come to your place અને બહુ બધા વેરિયન્ટ્સ તમે કરી શકો. એટલે I highly recommend everybody કે at least try once. Thank you Nehal
Thank you
for
so much.
spending time and briefing about this very creative and a very special venture, Moldit. Thank you so much. Thank you.